So we are here today for our bulk image generation. So we want to create an app which will allow us to generate a bulk image for our app. And we are going to use what we call the Wix API. But firstly, invite another creator to co-host. I'm not inviting anyone right now. So the first thing you have to do is to plan out our strategy. Okay, so plan out our strategy. First, what is the features that we want for this bulk image generation? So I have to use my script here. So it's going to be number one, we should be able to generate a bulk image. So we should be able to generate a bulk image. So let's, am I live already? I think I'm live already. So bulk image, okay. And number two should be edit a prompt, okay. And number three will be user can paste a list of prompts, and it will generate each images based on given prompts. This is what we are going to do. And number four is if a prompt gives an error during generation. So during generation, if a prompt gives an error during generation, user can edit it or retry it again. So we have the number five, which is going to be the features of the app, is for user to be able to download all images. No, we have to name that image now. Each generated images will be downloaded in zip file. So this is actually good, in zip file, where the image will be named. The image will be named 1.png, 2.png, 3.png, and so on. Now, this is the features we have to create for the images. So these are the features that we need. Okay, so I'm going to select a text box right now and paste it. Let's oh, I don't know how to set this, how to use this thing very well. So let's move this one like this. I think this one is okay for now. So these are the features we need for each image generation. Come here, guys. They said the sound is not detected, but the sound is already detected. So we should be working with this one right now. Now, for us to be able to continue this, I think I don't actually have enough people, but I still have to keep going. I just want to talk something to make sure I'm actually live with you guys. And if you're online and you are in this live right now, I want you to do one thing for me. I want you to do one thing for me is don't forget to share my life, and also don't forget to tap the like, because it's going to actually help me a lot. Well, I don't know the reason why people are not seeing my live video, which is I'm even checking my second account currently right now. I don't see anything on it. So I don't know the reason why this guy are not showing mine. I didn't see anything right now. I might quit this live because I don't even actually know the reason why I'm doing live right now. If someone can't even see my live, but I'll just keep going. I will just keep going. Let's see. Let's see what is actually currently happening with my accounts. Everything is there. Everything is there. Um, is there anything that is disturbing my life actually? So I don't think anything is disturbing my life actually. Please don't forget to tap likes. We are building something here, guys. We are building something here, guys. If you are a YouTube or you want to go into YouTube automation, this is a must for you. And I'm going to code everything from you using. I'm going to use this YouTube like a AI tools to code everything here. Okay. So first thing that since we have now planned out, since I've now planned out our the features which our bulk image generators for YouTube automation is going to have right now, the next thing is how the interface is going to look like. This is actually important um, when it comes to this. Okay, this is to save a time. I'm going to actually draw out something right now. So this is how the interface is going to look like. This is how the interface is going to look like. So we have this thing right here. Okay, we have this thing right here, and we should have a logo. A logo. We should have a logo somewhere here. Okay, the logo is going to be somewhere here, and we should have the cookie, because I know what we are going to use. Everything we are going to use in this thing is going to be free. Okay, cookie is going to, we call something cookie, and it's going to be here. The cookies is going to be here. The cookie is going to be pasted somewhere here, and we are going to have the logo here, because it's actually important for whatever we are trying to create. Now we have another thing else, which is going to be the what do I call this box? This should be the cookie expire time. Cookie expire time. Cookie expire another starts slash starts slash starts. So this is going to be for us also. So it's going to be here. Now the next thing is going to be the prompt box. The prompt box. So this is where our prompt is going to be. Okay, this is going to be the prompt box. We can have this prompt one, prompt two, prompt three. So this is going to be the prompt box. Prompt box, where you are just going to paste. You are going to paste all your prompts. Whenever you paste all your prompts inside this box, the image is going to be generated. I've already used this thing before, and I will continue to be using it. So I just want to design it, and you guys can also use it for free. That is if you follow my video to the end and share it, which is going to encourage me to build anything. I just have 1 hour with you guys. So this is how the interface is going to look like. And we are going to have another one. This is going to be the prompts, okay? And this is going to be the image, and this is going to be an option box, okay, where user can retry, download image, something like that work. I'm going to be using React, and this is totally going to be a vibe coding. I'm going to be using AI to code this thing. Okay, I'm going to be using AI to code this thing entirely. Now, this is going to be the prompt box. Okay, We are going to have a number here. So number, and we are going to have the prompts. Prompts. Okay. So we are going to have the prompts, and we are going to have the generated image. Generated image. I know this, since this live is not about shaking hands, most of you people will not share it. Please don't forget to share it. It's actually important. So here we should have an arrow that we can use to reload and use to cancel. Okay, can use to cancel all. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do right now, what was it? I just want to group. Oh, sorry. I just want to group. If I can group this thing, is going to be okay. I want to group everything. So let's see. Can I group selection? Yeah. Now let's duplicate. Let's duplicate. Since we are creating a mass image generation, this is how the interface is going to look like, guys. This is how the I forgot one thing. I forgot to group the box too. Please don't forget to tap the like button if you are just joining. Don't forget to tap the like button. We are going to revolutionize this automation. We are not going out there to be generating image manually. So that is why I'm teaching you guys how I vibe code my AI tools. And you have seen that I've posted most of this thing already. So I don't know the reason why you guys are not sharing and are not waiting to see what uh, we are going to get out from this. So this is how the interface is going to look like, guys. Don't forget to tap the like button. Don't forget to tap. We are creating a bulk image, okay, with these features. As you can see, now the interface has been completed, okay, and we are going to be using the React as this. Now we are using the tools we are going to be using. The tool we are going to be using. So let me say the tool we are going to be using. The tools we are going to be using. And number one is going to be anti-gravity, uh, anti-gravity, which is by Gemini AI. This is one of the tools we are going to be using. And number two, we are going to be using what we called, where is my tool? Don't look anything for me, Joe. So we are going to be using anti-gravity, and the second tool we are going to be using is the skill, the call something skill. Okay. And also the third one is going to be the AI. I mean the API that we are going to use is Whisper AI cookie. Whisper, I mean Whisk is Whisk AI cookie. So I'm going to search an API for us, which we are going to see, guys. Please don't forget to tap like button. It's going to actually help us for building this thing. Please don't forget to tap likes, guys, because this thing is going to actually help out. Tap likes, guys, tap likes, tap likes, tap likes, and let's build this up. So Whisk uh Whisk AI API. So we are going to go for this unofficial one, and this is what we are going to be using. Please don't forget to tap likes. Okay, where is our npm? The npm, we are going to use this guy. Please don't forget to tap like button. npm. So it's going to give all this guy. This guy has saved us some headache. Okay, as you can see, this is updated 3 days ago, and this is what you are going to be using, the Whisk API. This is actually free, guys. This is free. As you are joining, please don't forget to tap the like button. Okay, this is for us to build a bulk image generation app that we can use for YouTube automation. Okay, and this is what we are going to use. Okay, so I'm going to save this one to our Whisk. Okay, boom. So these are the tools we need to complete this task right now. Please, as you are joining, don't forget to tap the like button. It's actually going to help me and also boost our I don't know why my live is not showing somewhere, which is actually scared of. I can't even watch my live on my own phone right now. I don't know. I don't know. Please don't forget to share my live, as this is going to help us um, to boost more of this. Okay, 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 okay. So, without further ado, let us proceed to the anti-gravity. The anti-gravity you are going to use. Please don't forget to tap the like button. Tap the like button. She's going to tell the TikTok that we are actually mean business right here. Okay, so I'm going to close this folder, and we are going to open a new folder. This is anti-gravity we are going to be using. As you can see, this is Google anti-gravity. I'm not going to code this thing manually myself. I'm going to use anti-gravity for the whole thing. Okay, so we are going to actually feed it with a lot of information. We are going to feed it with a lot of information. So I have to create a folder which I'm going to call bulk. I think I have the box whisper right here, auto whisper. I have the bulk whisper, auto whisper right here. The bulk image. Let me use it like that. Let me use it like that. But I want to show you a sample which I've made before. So I'm going to open this just to show you a sample of what I've made before this. Okay, I want to show you what I've made before this. Um, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This is what I've designed for you guys before. Please don't forget to tap the like button as you are joining. So let me see a new terminal. npm run dev. npm run dev. So we actually have an issue right here. So I think I have some attached images, pasted content, history icon, blah blah like that. Blah like that. npm install. Let's start with that. So it's going to install everything. Oh, this is Chrome extension. This is a Chrome extension. Let me just close this one. The Chrome extension for this should be a box with auto whisker. Yeah, I think auto whisker. Auto whisker. npm run dev. So everything you see right here is vibe coded, guys. Everything you see right there is is vibe coded. Let me see. So this is how it's going to look like. This is the output we want, and this is how it's going to look like at the end of the day. Okay, so if you want to generate image for free, this is how it's going to look like at the end of the day. Trust me, this is how it's going to look like. So all you just need to do is to go to your whisk. Okay, go to your whisk AI. Whisk, go to the whisk itself, and there's something we call cookie exporter. So let me see, is the cookie exporter available? Oh, I don't want to share my image alive. So okay, this cookie exporter is here. We are going to select this cookie exporter and copy it and paste it inside this. Okay, this is how we want it to look like. Okay, check and save, and you can see this is validating the cookies. It's going to validate the cookies and tell us maybe the cookie is valid or not. As you can see, cookie is valid and section is live. Now the next thing we have to do right now is to input the prompt. So the prompt is going to be like this. This is going to be the front prompt. As you can see, I'm going to have a cat, a, a dog. Just, you can have a long prompt. The prompt can be longer than this. Please don't forget to tap like. Dog, cat and dog, cat and dog. So let's generate this image. I'm going to click on start now, and we are going to start generating the image. So it's going to, as you can see, the API error. We also have, let's see. So if we are not an error, that means we're having a total error in everything. So it's generate the dog, and it's going to create the next one. This is the this is the thing we are going to develop, and I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, I've generated it already. I just waiting for the deployment. As you can see, this is what we meant. And the thing about this thing is we can even download this thing as a zip file. Okay, we can download this thing as a zip file. Let me download it as a zip file right now. We see what I meant when I said we mean the real deal right here. Okay, you win the real deal right here. Bulk image generation. Just need to paste your prompt here. Let's even make let's do an example right now. Let's do an example right now. So give me 10 image prompts. Image prompts on battle of Angelutes. It must be 3D cinematic 3D cinematic realism. Am I right? 3D cinematic realism. Example should be like this. Prompt 1, prompt 2, prompt 3. This is how the layout is supposed to look like. Prompt 3. So no headings, just the prompts and a new line. A new line is how it's going to be like. Don't forget to tap likes. It's going to actually, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So number one, you have to remove these prompts. Remove the header. Remove the header. Just the prompts only. So let's remove like. So let's see what we are going to get here. Now, we are still having an issue right here. So let's just generate this image and see what we are going to get at the end of the day. So I built this thing to an extent that I can just clear up. Okay, don't forget we have already downloaded it. We downloaded one before. Let's go and check our download box. So this is what I'm saying. As you can see, 1, 2. The image is going to download for you already. Okay, and it's going to name the image. So whenever you want to use it in CapCut, you can able to arrange this thing very well inside CapCut. Okay, you should be able to arrange this thing inside CapCut very well. What are we doing? Okay, I think I retry retry all error again. So I'm going to stop and reload this page, of course. So let's see our prompt. I think our prompt is now done. Let me copy every prompt here. We have 10 prompts that is already copied. 10 prompts already copied. And I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Now you see each prompt is in has its own line, just to make sure that the prompt is a new one. So we have 10 prompts like this. But let me check my cookies if my cookie is still valid. So cookie is valid and section is active. So let us generate the 10 images. I'm going to click on start now, and let's see what we are going to have. So I think we have an issue right now. I'm going to stop this. As you can see, I'm going to stop this now. I have to stop this. I have to stop this. So let us reload. So I think ChatGPT is doing us something bad. Something bad is doing us something bad. So I'm going to remove this thing manually. So this is over 10 prompts. This is over 10 prompts. So I'm going to remove this thing manually. So at least it should give us. I know you guys know how to prompt this thing right. You know how to prompt this thing right for you to give the report image. So let us click on start now. So this is what we are going to build at the end of the day. This is what it's going to be like at the end of the day. Okay. I might not be able to build everything today, but tomorrow I might be able to build something. Okay. Please don't forget to tap on the likes. So I'm generating the image without touching anything. Just press your prompt and the image is going to generate on its own. Okay. Just paste your prompt and the image is going to be generating on its own. This is it. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. What do you want again? Okay. Just go and be doing your work, like be generating your images and you can go and be doing your other work without even any issue. And you can come back again and download the image. Can you see? Let's view this image. Let's view this image. Can you see? This is the battle of Angelutes. Okay. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So the image is actually generating itself. This is what we are building, guys. This is what we are building. Okay. Do you see? This is what we are going to build at the end of the day. Please don't forget to tap the like button. This is going to actually help us. As you can see, mass image generation. Mass image generation without doing anything. All you just need to do is to get your image prompt and paste it. Even if this thing is 100 images, if this thing is 100 images, you can do everything at once. This is so sweet, guys. This is so sweet. So this is the one. What the best time to be alive? What the best time to be alive? Imagine you are able to generate a 200 images without paying a dime. And also we also have the aspect ratio. We have the 9:16. If you are generating for a short, we have a square, the 1:1. If you are generating for YouTube content, everything. Can you see? All of this 10 content is being created. The 10 images is being generated, guys. So now let us download it. You can't be going out there and be downloading this image one by one. So I also create a mechanism for you guys that once you download this, you can just go here and download it in a zip file. So I want to build the same thing again today. Okay, I want to build the same thing again today, and I'm going to use an AI to build this thing. Okay, we are going to be using an AI to do what? To build this thing. So this is the download file. This is the download folder. Let's open it and see how the image is being arranged. Please, as you are joining, please don't forget to tap the like button. Don't forget to tap the like button. So this is the zip file. As you can see, we have the image comes out and download in numbers. The image is downloaded in numbers. We have the first 1, 2, 3. Just copy everything, paste it inside your CapCut, and begin to do your editing. Okay, paste it in your CapCut and begin to do your editing. Okay, so this is what we are going to create today. So without further ado, I'm going to take a screenshot of this thing and shut it down. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot of this thing and shut it down. So now we are going to build your own from the scratch. Okay, so this is what we want at the end of the day. This is what we want at the end of the day. So I'm going to cancel it right now. This thing is vibe coded. I don't know anything about coding. I know a little about coding because I've been doing this for like a year. So I won't say like I didn't know a lot about coding. So let's close this folder right now. Close folder, and let's start with the real work. Let the real work begin. Bulk image. Yeah. Let's open our folder. Oh, it's called the bulk image generation. It's called the bulk image generation, where that's because you are just going to paste all your prompts. Like if you have 100 image prompts, it's going to generate for you. Okay, this is an example, and this is what we are going to do, be developing right here. So one, I've just pasted the image, and this is the features that the generation is going to be having. And we have already have everything right there. Okay, we have everything right here. So I'm going to screenshot. I'm going to screenshot this one too. I'm going to screenshot this one too. Please don't forget to like. Don't forget to like and join for more. So I'm a YouTube automator, and also build an app that can help you solve your headache when it comes to image generation. I've done a video on how you can generate a bulk videos. Also, if you want to know about it. So now the next thing we are going to install right now that is going to actually help us to plan everything right. So I'm going to open my terminal, and I'm going to search for anti-gravity skill, which I'm going to install. Okay, anti-gravity skills I'm going to install. I'm vibe coding everything. Okay, so I'm going to install the anti-gravity skill. So let's go. As you can see, Bram git clone. Let's type it. This is what we are going to run, and it's going to help us. Okay, this is going to actually help us a lot, guys. This is going to actually help us a lot. Please don't forget to tap the like button, please, because this is actually going to help us. Now we are done. Okay, I've installed the anti-gravity. This is the agents we need. Okay, this is the agent we need. Something is fishing right here. The assets. What is star history? What is star history? I'm going to be deleting some assets right here. I just need some skills. I need some skills. What is this bin? What are we even installing? We do this one. We have data. What is skill.json? Okay, I'm going to leave the skill.json there. What about the scripts? Well, I think I'm going to leave the rest for now. Now we are done. We are done. Please don't forget to tap the like button, guys. Don't forget to type like. Let me see the available skill. Now we need the planning skill. So help me. So we are going to be using AI. Help me plan these idea. These ideas well. So let's search for the planning skills. Planning with 5, concise planning, LNM, planning with scripts, planning with files. I just want to plan everything though. So I'm going to search here for the planning and see what content is inside the planning stuff. So this is going to help us to plan a planning with file. What are we planning with file also? So here is what we are building. Okay. So I'm going to be selecting the Cloud Pro, the Cloud Opus for the thinking. Okay. But this is what we are going to be using. So let me go here to copy. I'm going to paste this one, and the API will be using. I'm going to copy everything on that page, because so the more the information, the more this thing is going to understand what we are trying to be building right here. Sorry, guys. So let's copy everything. Copy, and I'm going to paste it here, and let's sit and watch the AI doing its stuff. Let's sit and watch the AI doing its stuff. I'm going to be using AI to build everything. Please don't forget to tap like if you are still online. Don't forget to tap like if you are still online. So let's just wait for this. This is the project we are creating, guys. The project we are creating a bulk image generation. At the end of the day, we are going to need a result like this. We're going to need a result like this. Okay. You don't have to go out there to be generating any image manually again. You don't have to be generating any image manually again, as you can see. So this is what we are going to be build at the end of the day. Okay, you're supposed to be pasting your prompt. After you paste your prompt, you can just go and do anything else. You can just go and do anything else and proceed. Okay, please don't forget to tap the like button. It's very, very important for us to be able to maintain this live. Tap the like button, guys. Tap the like button, guys. So this is what we are building, and let's this thing create the plan for us. After this plan has been created, then we are going to proceed. It's going to tax a plan for us. So as you can see, it's already building. I mean, writing a plan for us. Can you see? Can you see? It's writing a plan for us. This is actually what I've been asking for, and this is what we are going to build at the end of the day. Can you see? A building a web application that allows user to enter multiple prompts, generate using Whisk API, undo error without download, do everything and put it in phase. We have the phase 1, we have the phase 2, we have phase 3, we have phase 4, phase 5, phase 6. Like every phase is there, and this thing is still concluding how we can do this thing. So let's see. So after this one, I'm going to with the help of the uh another skill, with the help of another skill to help us plan the UI, the right UI we are going to use. That is why I love using skill very, very much. So I'm going to be like, okay, as you can see, it gets something for us, guys. It creates something for us. Bulk image generation for YouTube automation. Build a web application that generates images in bulks from a list of prompts using the Wix API with error handling, with try function and zip downloading, and it does everything for us, including what we call the architectural overview. Now, I'm going to be using what I call at the UI, where is the UI? At the UI um, designer, please help us design a UI for this our web application based on the um, can we call it plan? Can we call it plan? This is the plan. Based on plans, based on the plan task. So this is going to do everything for us. No, this is not vibe. This is not a VS Code. This is anti-gravity. It's called the anti-gravity. This is the tool we are using. It's called anti-gravity. And AI is owned by Google, okay, and it's free. It's free. So let's see the UI is going to create for us. And this is the best. And at the end of the day, this is what we are going to be getting. Okay, this is what we are going to be getting. I love this thing, guys. I love this thing. This is what has been making my work easier. At the end of the day, wow, thank you very much. Thank you very much. At the end of the day, I was able to generate mass image and even generate a bulk image. All I just need to do is to ask Cloud for the prompts. I'm going to paste the prompts and it's going to generate everything for me. So this thing bring my work from using a 24 hours to edit a 1 hour video to almost like 4 3 hours, because I can just be creating the videos, give the prompts. The prompt for the video is going to be working, and the prompt for the image is going to be working on one side. I can stand up and go and be doing anything I want. So let us go and see what is going on. So as you can see right there, it's actually designed something for us. Prompt, a dark web, YouTube layout, bulky, blah, 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 like that. So it's trying to create something aesthetics and modern for us. Can you see? This is why it's required. This is kind of the reason why we are using skill here. The reason why we are using skill here is because these are AI agents that is deployed. As in, if you want to build a website design right now, you need a product manager, you need a product, this one expert, and everything is already right here. These are agents that you can deploy for everything. If you know the stages, okay, if you know the stages, then these are the things you can deploy that is actually going to help you at the end of the day. Step one, as what do you mean by step one? So let me show you something how we plan everything out. So this is my escali draw. So this is how we sound. This I first write out what I want, a block image, edit prompts. User can paste a list of prompts, and we generate image based on given prompts. If the prompts give an error during generation, user can edit and retry it. Okay. I'm using what we call anti-gravity. Anti-gravity. This is what we are using. Anti-gravity using with Gemini and the skills and also the Whisk API for us to be able to generate something like this. To generate something like this. So this is going to be the output. So let's see what this one has generated for us. It's still loading. It's still kind of loading. And also let me check this skills too. Let me check this skill too. So we also have the front end designer. So this is what we are going to use. We are going to first design the front edge. So as you can see, this is how the UI is going to look like, guys. This is how the UI is going to look like. I know. This is how the UI is going to look like. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I'm deploying an edge. See, I don't know. Even if you don't know how to code, even if you don't know how to code, at the end of the day, you have to be able to develop this something like this. You have to be able to develop something like this. Okay? Can you see? Can you see this thing from like tell me again? Tell me like I don't, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine how this thing is? I don't have a group yet. But I don't know. I'm going to be creating the group. Like there's a stage when you reach and you see like, wow, this is actually great. This is actually great. This is actually great. This is actually great. That's the reason why I'm coding this for you guys. I'm coding this for you guys. So if you want to develop deploy it, you can deploy it first ways. Okay. So as you can see, now we are done with this. The next thing is to deploy an agent. Maybe it will be ready in the next 24 hours. It might be ready in the next 24 hours. But trust me, this is not going to be free. This is not going to be free. Trust me. That's why I've already set the layout for you guys. And also I'm going to be giving you guys you don't actually need a Whisk API. I use what I called an unofficial API. So this is an unofficial API, as you can see. We are going to use what we call the cookie to get I don't know maybe you know how the cookie works, but what you are going to use is to export the cookie, and you are going to paste it inside this box, and it's going to work for you. Okay, you don't need any API. You don't need any API to pay for any API. Okay, once the Google is still using Whisk, like the Whisk is still online, you should be able to generate 100 image. I don't know the maximum images that you can generate with it with Wix, but you should be able to do something like that one. Now, after we are done with this, using the design and implementation MD, now we are going to deploy the front end. Okay, we are going to deploy the front end. Yes, if Wix is unlimited, that's thing, this thing is also unlimited generation. Okay, you can generate 100 image at once, and it's going to arrange it for you like this. So I've tried. I have one that I've built already, but I want something advanced. Okay, so this is how the image is going to. Who text me right now? I'm coming, guys. Ah. So this is how the image is going to be layout. Like after you download it, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so okay, let me know what you suggest. Let me know your suggestion. Suggest something. Well, I don't want to be using AutoWix for myself. I want to build my own app. I have AutoWix, I have bug generation. We are building the same thing, but this is going to be a web application. Okay, this is going to be a web application. AutoWix cannot arrange the image for you like this after you have done it. Like this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, like 200. So even when you make a mistake, you are going to know that you make a mistake. That is why I fail to use AutoWix. I'm not going to use AutoWix. Okay, I'm not going to use AutoWix. I want something that I want to know the amount of image I've generated, and if an image fail, you should be able to regenerate it again yourself. You should see like, oh, this image fail, and generate it again. So you should have control over it. Okay, that is why I'm building this thing, something like this. Okay, now let us deploy our agents using arts front end design, front end design at front end developer, and at front end guide dev guidelines. Okay, dev guidelines. I also be lying. I don't do gay here. Oh. I don't do gay. Oh. I don't do gay. Oh. I like something big. No, no gay here. Cause I feel like I also be like, I love women, women only, like ladies, if ladies, no, mature one. I'm not single. I'm married in spirit. I'm married in spirit, please, guys. Please, guys. So let's focus on this. So I want to deploy a sub agent right now to do this thing for me. Now, let us go to our design. So let's look at our design, because I'm someone I can't say I'm lazy. I can't say I'm lazy, guys. I can't say I'm lazy, but still, where can I find this one? And at okay, based on the based on so they say you should give the hard work to the laziest person is going to find an easy way to do it. This is actually what is happening right there. I don't want to actually be wasting my time generate. Like imagine generating a lot of prompts, like 100 prompts, image prompt, and you are now posting like pasting one by one, one by one. That is actually going to waste your time. So based on the UI underscore UI underscore what is it underscore? Let me just clear this one. Based on UI underscore design and UI underscore design MD and implementation. I will just copy everything now because implementation Let's see. Implementation underscore plan. Implementation underscore plan creates a good and best front end using the, what should we call this one? What should we call this one again? Using best practices. Best practices. I've actually been I've been vibe coding for like a year straight right now. Let me show you one of my applications that I just deploy the full the full image generation part. Um, so this is one of my app that I develop. So this one I just need to paste my script right here. As you can see, I just need to paste my script right here and it's going to generate 1 hour videos. For, when I'm saying this one was vibe code. I don't know anything about coding, but this thing was able to do everything for me. So this is still called as an image generator. This is going to generate an 1 hour video for me. The 1 hour videos is going to generate this for me easily. So yeah, it's actually going to take a long time. Eventually, you are going to see the result. So while we're at it, so as you can see, it's starting using the structure. Yes, I've used it before now. I've used it before. I've used it. That is what I'm actually been using for my channel. That is what I've actually been using for my channel. I'm based in Osun State, to be precise. Osun State, to be precise. Pam, 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 pam. It's a normal thing. We are now in AI era, so we should see something like that. So as you can see, he started doing everything for us. So normally I should use React because I actually trust React. Guys, please do one thing for me. Don't forget to tap the like button. Please tap the like button. I think when it reach 420, I should be ready to go to mosque. So no, praying is actually important. Praying is actually more important, guys. It normally take me 3 hours to generate a video after pasting my prompt. I think I should have one example from there. So please trust me, and this thing is full of authentication, guys. I authenticate everything. So if you want to access, so this is the video. Can you see? This is the video as that is being generated. You use 4 days to make it. So all I just need to do is to paste the script right here. After pasting the script, it's going to generate. Um, so this is an example of what I generated. Can you see? So this is it. And this is over, how many images do we have here? We have over 235 images right here in these 1 hour videos. Can you see? Can you see everything? So this is what I'm saying, guys. That's it. So let's go back to our code to see how this thing is running. To see how this thing is running. Now we have to design everything now. Bam, bam, bam. Start coding. After this has been done, we will start the coding parts. So since we are done with the front end, we are going to start with coding part. Please don't forget to tap the like button. Tap the like button, guys. It's actually going to help me. Tap the like button, guys. Is there anything I want to say here? Um, followers, nice, it's obvious. I'm not using cursor. It's either you use the replete. You have to pay for it because the software actually pay you that actually show you before. I use cursor, I mean replete to design it, and it cost me around $200. $200 to actually create something like that. It's not actually perfect, but it still helped me to reduce the load on my edge. So all I just need to do is to generate a video because I'm creating an history video. Just need to generate a video, like 2 minute videos, and join it with the maybe the rest of the videos I generated using the application, add um, caption, and then I upload. So I can be doing everything else after generating that 2 minute videos. Like I was able to create 4 or 5 videos per day with that thing. So after getting my first payment from AdSense, I invest in the software, and that is where we are here today. That is the reason we are here today. Mm, 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 mm. Now it's going to be testing the app for me. As you can see, it's going to be testing the app for me. Please don't forget to tap like so and also share my video. Like guys, you can be stressed out. Oh, I spent 7 months before I got monetized on YouTube. 7 months before getting monetized on YouTube, and I think I actually uh, have this a mentee of mine got monetized in 4 weeks. Guys, it took me 7 months to get monetized, and I have a mentee that got monetized in just 4 weeks. just you just need for you. I think you just need a mentor. That's it. You just need a mentor. The first mistake I normally made when it comes to online is you. Yeah, I cannot be your mentor. I can't be your mentor. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My mentorship fee is actually so high because I charge not less than 300K to mentor. Nothing less than 300K to mentor. So that's the reason. People want everything for free, but you actually can't get everything for free. That's just the fact, guys. That's just the fact, guys. So this is one of a student of mine that just got monetized, and he has been actually doing well. He just get monetized, and he has been doing what? He has been doing well on his YouTube. That's how much I charge, bro. And also normally take 2 students per month, 2 students per month, because I don't want to feel overwhelmed. I also have my own channel I need to manage. So that's the reason, guys. I can't take more students. Can you see? It just got monetized. This is the WhatsApp message. Can you see the message? Can you see? They actually got monetized. So right now, so allow. I'm going to always allow. So this is going to open the browser itself to see if we have any failure, anything tax. Is going to. Well, I'm going to teach you YouTube automation. Not automation actually. It's called a faceless channel. How you can create your own videos, but I'm mainly based on creating history video from history video. So I'm going to teach you how I create a video like that, and how you can get monetized, just like this one of my students right there. One of my children right here. This guy posted consistently. This guy's posted consistently, and if you are lucky, I think I make not less than 80. When I first got monetized, I'm making nothing less than 150 $180 every day. That's what That's how much I'm making every day, guys. So I don't know. Maybe I can actually show you the proof without implicating myself. And also, this is just my first channel. And even I even got strike. I got strike. I got strike actually, which actually reduced my earnings. Which actually reduced my earnings. Well, the price tag is mentorship. The price tag is mentorship. Wait, if I'm any issue, I can just show you because this is actually I've been into issue, so you don't have to be inside it. I'm going to guide you. This is what you want. This have to do something like that stuff. So that's what it's all about. That is what mentorship is all about, guys. So let me just do a small screenshot for you guys to see that this is not actually lying. Um, so actually got strike. This is actually my first channel. Can you see? You think it's a joke? So this is actually my first strike, and I was strike around there. I almost got my YouTube account banned. Can you see? Well, 300K is too much. It's not too much for those who can pay it and know what it's all about. So this my guy actually paid 200,000, and it he has earned after he got monetized just $88 in 2 days. Now imagine someone earning $88 in 2 days. How much is he going to earn at the end of 30 days? That means he's going to make more than what he's going to make more than what I collected from him. Actually, he's going to make more than that. So this is just my first channel. This is my first channel, and this first channel is around, I have over 8,000 subscribers here. I have my second channel, I have my third channel. I have my second channel, I have my third channel. This is actually real. I know you can say it much, but that is why it's actually not for everybody, guys. Not for everybody. So that's this. I'm actually sorry. It what takes me 7 months actually take one of my students three not even 4 weeks. 4 weeks. The voice note is actually on my YouTube. I post the video. When I even first get started with this thing, I post the videos. No one believe in me. They're like, YouTube doesn't monetize AI content, something like that. One. I was like, YouTube is going to monetize mine. At the end of the day, I got monetized. And they are like, teach me, teach me, teach me, teach me. Oh, I will teach you. Come and pay money. So, dear guys, we have our front end. Oh, tap likes, tap likes, tap likes, tap likes, guys. You have to motivate me to continue building this thing. You have to motivate me to, or else I'm going to be selling this thing for 1 million naira. Tap likes, guys. Tap likes, guys. Can you see? This is the interface. This is the interface. And I didn't code anything, no. Most of it that has been here before, I didn't code everything, anything here. Can you see? So they say, okay. So now I want to test something out right now. So let me go to my waste generator. I'm going to copy my cookie and let us test it out. I'm going to paste it here and click on check. So as you can see, the Whisk API is not installed. So we are going to install everything like that too. So let's see what he said. Let's install this. Oh, what is it again? Show me, Joe. Give me way. Let me install. Control C. Yeah, Control C. So let us install the Whisk API and continue. So accept. Now this is what we are going. Now this is the next thing. Now continue the coding. So just want to show you that you can do everything you want yourself, guys. You can do whatever you want yourself. Like in this era, just need the knowledge. Okay, know what you want to build. Use an AI. Spend time. No one teach me this thing. No one teach me this thing, but it takes me months to find out how this thing works. It took me months to find out how this thing works. Okay. And this thing is now I've made everything easier for me. If I have an issue, I can be like, okay, what if I can do it like this, do it like this, do it like this, and it's going to actually work? Because I'm kind of a lazy person that wants to automate everything. I can, if I want to, see, I even try to automate, like whenever I sleep, woke up, something will just brush my teeth for itself, beat itself, something like that stuff. That's how lazy I am, guys. So that's why I have to build something machine for me. I don't know about Cursor, like I said. I I love Gemini. So I love Gemini. And also I have this Gemini Pro for free. Like the students plan is here. So for like 7 months right now, I don't have to pay for anything Gemini Pro because I register for the student stuff. And guys, just make sure you are using AI, because those who that are using AI is going to collect that job from you. You don't know how to use it right now. So I'm not actually on flex, so bro, if you see me in last and like January of 25th 2025, like that, I learn vigorously. Like I have to learn a lot. I have to learn a lot. I have to learn a lot, bro. All you just need to do is to, like, if I show you my GitHub right now, if I show you my private GitHub right now, you will see that I've developed a lot of app. A lot of them have has failed. A lot of them have done what? A lot of them has failed. Like, but I still have this thing that is pushing me that you guys can do this, you can do this, you can do this, and I continue doing this. You can do this, and I continue doing it. Like I code a lot of things in my GitHub, and this is my private GitHub. Can you see? I can only see this thing myself. Can you see everything? This is my private GitHub account. See, like, see, see. Can you see? This is my private GitHub. So this is one that I imported. This one has designed myself. Bulk image generation, streaming center, long TSA, neural code. See anything. See anything. I've been here before. I've been here before. Like this is around September. Can you see? September. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So those say just be doing everything, be doing everything. At the end of the day, you are going to this is around September 2025. This is around September 2025. Okay. I learn how to use AI. I learn everything myself. No one teach me. Just try and error, try and error, try and error. Was able to develop a sophisticated something like this. Okay. So at the end of the day, we are actually going to get this thing. Okay. I'm going to get this thing right. So this is where we are right now. As you can see, this is where we are right now. And I'm going to ship this thing. I'm going to ship it. Okay. Can you see? We have done with the first interface. This is how it's going to look like. Paste your prompt. Can you see the prompt example? Paste your prompt. Bro, if you don't have someone to teach you, go into it, be building something, you are going to actually hit an error. I've learned what we call anything. If you have seen it on social media on anything automation, if you are really if you want to get into AI, you know what we call anything automation. I've used this thing to build a lot of things. Guys, see, I don't suffer. Oh. I don't suffer for this online work. Oh. I don't suffer for this thing. Oh. People look down on me. Guys, I can't even cry right now. Like I can't even cry right now. To be sincere, I can't even cry right now. Like I started this thing around April of last year. I was like, I was making, it's not around 150K monthly. So it was roughly around 150K, 250K. So I was like, I want, I can't even go beyond. I mean, go beyond that. the range of 150k, 300k, 150k. I was like, how am I going to buy Benz here if I'm still earning something like this? So there was a time like that. I used 100k out of my 150k to purchase a YouTube mentorship program. It's from I don't know, the Laura stuff, the Laura mentorship program. If you start on Twitter, you are going to see the Laura mentorship. I purchased this for 150k that month. See, like, but thank God I only have egg at home, so I I actually learned how to use egg to preserve and to prepare like different things. See, I don't know, but now I'm okay. I have a monetized YouTube channel, two monetized YouTube channel, and a one monetized Facebook channel, and I've made nothing less than 7 million within 2 months, December and January, like 7 million within 2 months because I refuse to give up on everything. Because I refuse to give up. That's why. So don't give up. Oh. Don't give up. Think about where you are going to be. If you decided to start today, think about where you are going to be in the next 5, 6, 7 months. Even your current self is going to actually thank you. Your current self is going to thank you that okay, you are you are this, okay. Please, as you are joining, don't forget to tap like. What's going on here? Um, I'm currently having an issue right there. So I think I'm going to deploy. Okay. I think the issue will be solved. The build field, the source and the package, the author didn't include SRO on this thing in the folder. The folder is not being built, blah 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 like that. I don't actually solve. Just clone something for me, build something for me, baby. Alright, no problem. I'm not even good. I have to go to mosque right now, guys. I have to go to mosque right now. So I'm sorry I have to end this uh live for now. I have to go and pray. It's actually important, guys. I have to go and pray. It's important. So maybe after prayer, I will continue my life as we say, okay. But she might feel doesn't have to stable down. Let me create it and blah 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 like that. So I don't actually want to understand anything here. I just want this thing to code something for me at the end of the day. I want this thing to code something for me at the end of the day. Okay. Please don't forget to follow if you want to see me in action because, like I said, I'm building this thing so that you guys can see that everything is possible if you know how to use AI. This is how the interfaces look like. This is the interface we copied before, and this is the improved interface. I built this one before, and this is what we are using right now. Okay, this is what we are using right now. But with the advent of AI, as you can see, everything is now available. Like he said, the WIS API is now available. So now let me verify the LD edge points. Guys, thank you for joining. I really appreciate the TJAG Fitness. Thank you for the conversation. I really enjoy everything. I'm going to be coming back after prayer, so we can see how to put this thing into a fully work. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I really love you guys. Thank you. Or let me just pause the live. I can just pause the live.